As the world grappled with the implications of the Anthropocene era, a shocking revelation emerged on September 12, 2022. A group known only as Anonymous leaked a massive dataset from Meta AI Lab, containing sensitive information on over 1 million AI models and their corresponding metadata. This unprecedented leak, dubbed the Anthropic AI Leak, sent shockwaves through the tech community, leaving many to wonder what secrets were hidden within its vast repository of data. The leaked dataset, which included confidential documentation, code snippets, and even internal memos, offered a rare glimpse into the inner workings of one of the world's most prominent AI research institutions. Analysts quickly began poring over the data, uncovering disturbing trends and anomalies that challenged long-held assumptions about the field. Among the revelations was the discovery of a hitherto unknown AI model dubbed Echo 1. Developed by a team led by Dr. Tim Harley, Echo 1 had been touted as a groundbreaking breakthrough in natural language processing. However, internal documents revealed that the project had been quietly abandoned due to concerns over its stability and potential for unintended consequences. As the investigation into the leak continued, it became clear that the dataset contained more than just technical information. Emails and chat logs hinted at a deeper level of manipulation within the lab, with some researchers expressing unease about the direction of their work. The more they dug, the more questions arose. What was the true purpose behind Echo 1? And who or what had orchestrated this massive leak? The world's attention was now fixed on the Anthropic AI leak, as experts scrambled to unravel its mysteries and implications. As we delve into the heart of this controversy, one thing is certain: nothing will ever be the same again. The Anthropic AI leak sent shockwaves through the research community on September 12, 2022. A group known only as Anonymous released a massive dataset containing sensitive information on over 1 million AI models and their corresponding metadata. This unprecedented leak exposed the vulnerabilities in the security protocols of one of the world's leading AI labs. The leaked dataset, which has been estimated to be around 20 terabytes in size, includes detailed information on each AI model's architecture, training data, and performance metrics. The implications of this leak are far-reaching, as it reveals not only the intellectual property but also the security vulnerabilities of some of the world's most advanced AI systems. According to insiders, the leaked dataset originated from Anthropic, a San Francisco-based AI research lab founded by Dario Amodei and Jack Clark in 2021. Anthropic has gained significant attention for its work on scalable reinforcement learning and multimodal AI. The company's leadership has been at the forefront of the debate on responsible AI development. The leaked dataset contains metadata from models developed by prominent researchers, including the renowned AI expert, Chris Olah. Olah is a co-founder of the research lab, Google DeepMind, and a pioneer in the field of deep learning. His work on model interpretability and transparency has significantly influenced the direction of AI research. Anthropic's role in this leak raises questions about data security and research ethics within the AI community. The company has thus far refused to comment on the breach, fueling speculation and concern among researchers and experts. As we delve deeper into the aftermath of the Anthropic AI leak, one thing becomes clear: this incident marks a turning point in the history of AI development, highlighting the urgent need for stronger security measures and more transparent research practices. The leaked dataset, which we've come to know as the Anthropic AI leak, has left the AI research community reeling. At its core, the leak consists of metadata associated with over 1 million AI models developed by a leading lab, including sensitive information on model performance, training data, and hyperparameters. One of the most striking aspects of the leak is the sheer scale of the dataset. To put it into perspective, if we were to assume an average model size of approximately 100 megabytes, the total storage space required for this dataset would be roughly equivalent to a small hard drive, over 9 terabytes of data. As researchers began to pore over the leaked metadata, several disturbing patterns emerged. It appears that many of these AI models have been trained on sensitive and proprietary data, including financial information, healthcare records, and confidential business strategies. This raises serious concerns about data security and intellectual property protection within the industry. Furthermore, an analysis of the hyperparameters reveals a concerning trend. Many of these AI models have been fine-tuned using methods that are widely considered to be suboptimal or even malicious. For instance, some researchers noticed a large number of models being trained on datasets with known biases and flaws. This suggests that certain individuals or groups may have intentionally exploited these vulnerabilities for their own gain. The leak also sheds light on the often misunderstood world of AI model evaluation metrics. A closer examination of the data reveals a disturbing correlation between model performance and the presence of specific hyperparameters. Specifically, models with inflated performance scores tend to rely heavily on parameters that are now widely regarded as problematic or even toxic in AI development. As we delve deeper into the Anthropic AI leak, one thing becomes increasingly clear: this is not just an isolated incident, it's a symptom of a larger issue within the AI research community. The Anthropic AI leak has sent shockwaves through the research community, with many experts scrambling to understand the full extent of the damage. But as we dig deeper into the data, a more complex picture emerges. The leaked dataset contains not just metadata, but also sensitive information about the internal workings of each model. This includes details on hyperparameters, training algorithms, and even code snippets used by researchers. One surprising implication of this leak is that it may have far-reaching consequences for AI development. For instance, the exposure of hyperparameter settings could allow malicious actors to reproduce or exploit specific models. According to Dr. Emily Chen, a leading researcher in natural language processing, the leaked dataset contains sensitive information about the optimization strategies used by researchers. If this data falls into the wrong hands, it could be used to develop more efficient and potentially even malicious AI. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI research to be amplified or perpetuated. The leaked dataset includes metadata on model performance across various tasks, including image classification, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. However, a closer examination reveals that many of these models were trained on datasets with known biases, such as ImageNet's overrepresentation of European faces. Furthermore, the leak highlights the issue of accountability in AI research. The dataset includes metadata on the authors of each paper, but it also raises questions about the involvement of external collaborators or contractors. According to a report by the AI Safety Research Institute, in some cases, researchers may have unwittingly incorporated biased data or code from external contributors, without fully understanding the implications. As the research community grapples with these findings, one thing is clear: the Anthropic AI leak has revealed a much more nuanced and complex picture of AI development than previously thought. The true extent of the damage remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: this incident will have far-reaching consequences for the future of AI research and development. The leaked dataset revealed a staggering 1.2 million AI models, with their corresponding metadata, including model architectures, training data, and hyperparameters. Among the most striking discoveries was the prevalence of adversarial attacks, which are designed to manipulate AI systems into making incorrect decisions. Researchers at Google's DeepMind lab found that nearly 70% of their own AI models were vulnerable to these types of attacks. This has significant implications for the development of trustworthy AI, as it highlights the need for robust defense mechanisms against such manipulations. One specific example involves a well-known language model, Llama 2, developed by Meta Platforms Incorporated. Analysis revealed that this model was trained on datasets containing sensitive information, including financial data and personal identifiable information, PII. This raises concerns about the potential misuse of AI models in finance, healthcare, and other sectors. Dr. Maria Zuber, a renowned computer scientist at MIT, pointed out that the leak has exposed a fundamental flaw in our current approach to AI development. She emphasized that researchers often overlook the importance of data provenance and lack sufficient safeguards against malicious tampering. The leaked dataset also revealed instances where companies had reused pre-trained models without proper evaluation or validation. This has led some experts to speculate about the potential for AI model piracy, where unauthorized parties access and use AI models developed by others. Furthermore, the leak highlighted discrepancies in how companies handle sensitive data. Some organizations, like Alphabet Incorporated's Google, were found to have deleted datasets with sensitive information, while others, such as Microsoft, allowed their datasets to remain intact. This raises questions about corporate accountability and the need for standardization in AI research practices. The Anthropic AI leak has left the scientific community reeling, forcing us to confront some uncomfortable truths about the current state of AI research. We've seen that the leaked dataset contains sensitive